This is a right-handed setup, laser on top of the rail of the BEOWULF. I didn't use the cable management on the grip because I wanted you to see how much room that you guys actually have. So we'll take the lead, the crane connector, push it in so the elbow is going in, pushing the cable inside to give you just that much more added protection. We're going to use our cable management system. I'm going to allow myself enough excess up here at the top, and I'm going to route it through these grooves on the bottom here. And I'm probably going to end up using 2 clips on this. Line these up, pretty much run them north to south with the rail. Find the slot on the Picatinny rail, and there you go. Now that's why we send it to you in the 3-pack. Just come on up here. Again, super simple. Line these up into the tracks. Wiggle it in. Find the slot. This is why we've added the cable management system, just to give you a lot more options and protection of your equipment. Now we've got our RYKER control all set up, plugged in with the crane type connector into our illuminator here, our laser, and the excess cable is stowed under 2 of the 3-pack of the cable management system that comes with the RYKER control system when you order it. Come on up, present out, super easy. Just activate that thumb. It is extremely natural. The single lead laser option is a momentary on and off, and a double click for constant on. RYKER control system set up for a right-handed shooter, single lead laser option.